Кубанская земля. Кубанская земля, матушка.
I've been traveling all day. I don't know where I am right now. My body doesn't know what's going on, but I'm so happy to be here finally. I've been waiting, for the last month to get here, and I'm so happy to finally be here and get to work.
Все, отдохнул, поработал, потренировался, снова отдохнул, потом опять поработал, опять потренировался. Все отлично.
Just first got to get settled down and realize, our goals as a team, and then just try to accomplish one goal at a time.
Но мы наконец-то собрались все вместе, все соскучились по баскетболу, соскучились по работе. Хорошая и приятная атмосфера в команде, хотя мы не успели познакомиться еще до конца. Тренер расставил приоритеты. С нетерпением ждем первых официальных игр, продолжаем готовиться и ждем всех на играх.
There are some difficulties, like Lacey get hurt, injured come, like some other guys we wait some other tests, to see, if they are completely ready to practice. So I miss, a couple of players, but the guys who were doing the first practice were pretty good. The effort was there, the attitude, to the practice and to the new season are there.
Как бы тяжело не было на предсезонке, но все равно мы с радостью возвращаемся, знакомимся с новыми игроками, возвращаемся к старым друзьям и продолжаем работать. Первые дни это положительные всегда эмоции.
First practice was great. It was pretty intense, but everybody did well. It was great to meet all the coaches, the players. So far so good.
It's very professional, everybody in the club are very professional. They try to help each of us, to adapt really quick, that we can start working, on the high intensity in few days. So basically, my first impression is very good, and I like it so far.
Let's go, guys.
Loko. 1, 2, 3, Loko.